What steps should I follow to recover deleted WhatsApp messages sender?
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a common issue many of us face: recovering deleted WhatsApp messages. Whether you've accidentally deleted a message or it's from a sender who has deleted a message they sent you, don't worry. This tutorial will guide you through the steps you need to follow to recover those messages.
Understanding WhatsApp's message backup feature.
Firstly, it's important to understand that WhatsApp automatically backs up your messages. This happens either daily, weekly, or monthly, based on your settings. You need to have these backups enabled to restore deleted messages. To check your backup settings, go to WhatsApp, tap on Settings, then Chats, and finally, Chat Backup.
Recovering messages using backup.
If your messages have been backed up before they were deleted, you can restore them by reinstalling WhatsApp. Uninstall WhatsApp from your device, and then download it again from your device's App Store. During the reinstallation process, you will be prompted to restore your messages from the backup. Make sure you choose this option.
Dealing with messages deleted by the sender.
For messages deleted by the sender using the Delete for Everyone feature, it's a bit tricky. If you have Notifications Logging app on your device, the deleted WhatsApp messages can be retrieved. These apps save a record of all your notification history, including incoming WhatsApp messages. However, bear in mind that while this might work, it has its limitations. It's only possible if the messages have been delivered but not read, and the messages must have generated a notification on your device. Remember that using these apps may have privacy implications, and it is essential to use apps from trusted sources. That's it for our tutorial on how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. We hope you find it helpful. Always remember to regularly back up your chats to avoid losing any important messages. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in our next video, and have a great day.